And there's a huge, I hope, worldwide movement on mindfulness. And mindfulness is all about coming into the present moment, right? And in that present moment, if you can drop into that present moment, you can think about the power struggle that just happened with your child and the rage that you felt, the resentment that you felt, the guilt that you felt, and the reaction you had. And you can actually say, if I felt that way, what must I have been thinking? So you back it up, because the thought is not, we're not aware of the thoughts at all. So when my big epiphany moment was with my daughter, my button pusher, and I was in power struggles with her every morning of preschool, when she would fight me so hard, getting up in the morning, getting dressed. She had this lip and it was just this, I don't want to go to school and you can't make me. I wanted to just take a knife and slice it right off. It lasted for about 3 years. It was sticking out like that. And every morning, and this all kind of came in hindsight, how I reacted to her was with anger and pressure and frustration and just total impatience, and we'd get into these power struggles. And one morning, I'd been doing a lot of reading on temperament, and I was teaching at this point. I was teaching parents how to better communicate with their children, and I'm home screaming at my daughter. So I this one morning, absolutely, this is why I know for sure that it has nothing to do with our children, other than the fact that they're the catalyst, but nothing changed from her. Same angry looks, same lip sticking out, same everything. But I said to myself, wait a minute, she's not out to get me. She's miserable. So she's out to get me was the assumption that I had been making every single morning. She's doing this on purpose. She's doing this to get me, right? We think that all the time. And I did this flip and I thought, wait a minute, she's not out to get me. She's miserable. And my head did a 180-degree turn, and I never looked back. It was the change that it was monumental, and it meant a completely different relationship that I had with her. And it's been great ever since. I mean, certainly she was so intense, she was just pushing me all the time. But I understood her now. I got it. I didn't take it personally anymore. And so I could help her.